Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Today I'm going to show you how I get my summer makeup look. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Summer makeup is all about simple and easy steps, and today I'm going to show you how I get my glowy bronze look on. So let's get started. I started my summer look with Charlotte Tilbury's Wonderglow primer to fill in my pores and smooth my skin. Next, to even out my skin tone, I used IT Cosmetics CC Cream. A CC cream protects, hydrates, and corrects. I like to use a brush for even application. For a sun-kissed look, I brush Nars bronzer in Laguna in a 3 and put extra on my cheekbones. For blush, I used Nars Cream Blush Stick in Orgasm for a natural flush. Next, for glow, I used Lancome's Dual Finish on the high points of my cheeks, and with my fingers, smoothed it on my eyelids for a brightening effect. To set my skin and my makeup, I use Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This will help my makeup not melt in the summer heat and keep everything looking fresh all day. For more definition with my eyes, I use the same powder bronzer I used on my face. This keeps the eye look simple and you don't need extra products. At this point, you can apply mascara or lashes. I already have do-it-yourself lash extensions on my lashes, so I skipped the top lashes and just put mascara on the bottom. When not using eyeliner, make sure you fill in your brows. They need shape so that the look is balanced. I use Lancome's powdery pencil in chocolate. And to complete the look, I used Lancome's lip pencil in Amandelle and added shine and hydration with Lancome's Juicy Tube in Hallucination. And here's the final look. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.